To create amazing backgrounds in CapCut for PC, start by adding a text layer to the timeline. Remove the default text from the text box and press the space bar on your keyboard. Then increase the font size to maximum to create a solid color block. Drop down the Video Basic menu, check the background option, and change its color. Duplicate this text layer and change the color of the copy to another shade. Create a compound clip from the top text layer, then select it and go to the Mask tab to add a mask. Setting the feather to maximum. Select both text layers and create a compound clip again. Go to the Filters tab, search for the Clear filter, and drag it onto the clip. Finally, go to the Effects tab, search for the Play Pendulum effect, drag it onto the timeline, and adjust settings as needed. Your amazing background is now complete.